Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. Smoked ribs is one of my favorite things to put on a smoker, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect smoked spare ribs with a side of coleslaw to go along with it. So let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. So I'm going to start with these beautiful St. Louis cut spare ribs. It was already trimmed and all you have to do is to remove the membrane that runs across the back side of the ribs to make it more tender. In order to remove the membrane, all you have to do, using a butter knife, work your way through around the bone. Then with a paper towel you can just remove it by pulling on it till it comes out clean. And that's the easiest way to remove the membrane from the ribs. Now to prepare our ribs, I'm going to add a small amount of mustard just to act as a binder and not so much for flavor, just so that barbecue rub sticks on the ribs. Then apply your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using Weber's original barbecue rub, but you can use whatever rub you like. Then make sure to repeat the process for both sides. I'm going to put the ribs on the smoker at 250 degrees for 3 hours, and I will be using hickory and apple wood. Now that the ribs are ready, it's time to fire up the smoker. While the ribs are in the smoker, I'm going to make coleslaw as a side dish. First, you will need about 2 cups of sliced cabbage. Cut the cabbage in half, then remove the core and start slicing. Also, you need about 1 cup of grated carrots, then place everything into a bowl and mix well. Now in a separate bowl, add half cup of yogurt, half cup mayo, quarter cup of honey mustard, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and salt to taste. Then mix everything together and transfer to the other bowl and mix well. Then place it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Now let's get back to the ribs. I'm going to be spraying the ribs with apple juice from time to time to keep the surface from drying out. After 3 hours, take out the ribs and place them on top of aluminum foil and spray them one more time with apple juice to keep it moist. Then sprinkle some brown sugar, some honey, then finally add some squeezed butter to give it that rich flavor. Wrap it twice with aluminum foil to make sure the bones doesn't poke through the foil. Now place it back on the smoker for another 2 hours. After the 2 hours are done, it's time to take out the ribs. Start by unwrapping the aluminum foil, and I get excited every time unwrapping the ribs like it's a Christmas present. Now look at how beautiful those ribs look, and trust me, they smell amazing as well. Place your ribs onto your cutting board, and now the final step is to glaze the ribs with barbecue sauce. To finish the ribs, we're going to put it on the smoker for 1 hour until the sauce is completely set, and it will give you that shiny look on the ribs that we're looking for. After the ribs are done, take them out of the smoker and it's ready to be sliced. Now look at how tender and juicy those ribs are. These are the best ribs you'll ever have. You guys must try this recipe and you won't regret it. And that's the end of the video, guys. Share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.